tatarik siguro mamaya. Pauwi pa po ito. Walang masyadong sea of clouds ngayon eh. Parking for employees. Parking. Oh, puro solar po. Ay, dito yata yun.
This is a happy end. Hoping I can learn without how to guilty. But since I can't let you alone, I fall my favorite. Every kiss makes me want to take another. My heart is so full when I see you. I feel special when I say you.
Nandito po kayo sa number 2. This is Hiraya Building or our ticketing building po. And then before we go inside, yung mga QR codes po natin, i-scan nyo po muna yan sa tinatawag mo naming turnstile po. And then first attraction going inside na po, we have Alapa Viewing Deck or yung popular po natin na glass view deck. So you can see it right here. And then underneath naman nun, you also have their Alapa Dining po. And then, right next to it naman ng ating glass view deck, meron din po tayo doon Marahuyo viewing deck. So, may view deck din po doon, may makikita kayong parabolic design. And then, underneath naman nun, meron din po tayong Marahuyo Cafe po. So, we have 2 restaurant inside. Both naman po serve Filipino cuisine. Difference lang ng dalawa is sa Alapa Dining kasi for reservation po. So, pag walk-in po tayo, may waiting time po. So, nasa 20 to 30 minutes po. And then sa Marahuyo Cafe po, no waiting time, yun po ay yung fast serving natin. And then more on rice bowl po yung sinaserve nila. And then underneath naman ng ating Marahuyo Cafe, kapag gusto nyo lang po mag-snack, Meron din naman po tayong Muni-Muni Food Hall. So, we have available 4 stalls doon. We have their Pika-Pika, sa Malamig, Kettle Pop, and then Hatch Coffee po. And then number 5, meron din po kaming Daguitab Amphitheater or yung open theater po namin sa baba. By the way po, doon sa may Daguitab Amphitheater, you can also check it out, Pinhi or yung sustainability wall po namin doon. And then number 6, meron din po kaming Silakbo restroom or yung public restroom natin. You can also check it out yung high-end comfort room doon. And then last destination na po natin going inside, we also have their Samyo Garden naman po. So, sa Samyo Garden, ito yung makikita natin. Nandun po yung man-made waterfall. Meron din kaming tree walk na 50 meters po yung haba niya. Meron din po kaming picnic ground, picnic huts. And then number 8 po, this is Kalupigap shop or yung souvenir shop po namin sa baba. And then number 9, that's for the kids, the Lisay Active Sensory Play. And then lastly po, kapag gusto niyo pong mag-hiking trail, free naman po yun. Just go straight to our Kahilo Major Station po. So, assisted naman kayo with our forest ranger po. So, by the way po, nire-require po namin naka-rubber shoes po tayo para din po sa safety. And then, kung may question kayo about sa trail, yung trail po namin is nasa easy intermediate lang po. So, 600 meters yun to 1 kilometer po. Going down and going up. And then, yung club car po natin, free ride po yun. Yun nga lang po, we do encourage na mag-walk po muna going down para ma-enjoy nyo yung view. And then, when we go up po, may shuttle station naman po sa baba. Pwede po kayo mag-request doon ng club car po going up po. Thank you. So, yun lang naman po. Enjoy. Dito kasi pwede. Iangat ko. Picture tayo.
Picture naman kaya ako yan. Dito ka.
Malapit yung glass.
Morning, sir.
Tayong dalawa na.
Diyan ka muna. Doon pala kainan yan.
Ha?
Doon pala kainan sa baba.
Ano ba yan?
Kainan.
Anong kain to? May yung ano daw po. Sabi ko. Ano ba?
Wala pa.
Ano yan? Ano ba yung kain na tayo? Pahiya niya. Ano, paano na ba?
Lawak nito.
Hindi pa siya dito kumakain. Maganda ba?
Yun o. Ganda ng CR.